Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show how to calculate percentage in Excel in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to find out percentages in Microsoft Excel, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To calculate percentages in Excel, first of all, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. I am going to calculate what percentage the obtained marks are out of the total marks in this mark sheet. Now, enter your data in two columns if you have not already. For example, in one column, enter the obtained marks, and in another column, enter the total marks. Here, a student obtained 413 marks out of 500. Now, click on the cell where you want the percentage to appear. First, type equals, and then select the obtained marks cell. Now, type slash from your keyboard. After that, select the cell with total full marks. This divides the obtained marks by the total marks. Now, press enter to get the result in decimal format. To convert it to a percentage, click on the result cell and go to the top toolbar. Click on the percent icon in the Home tab. If you see a rounded off percentage, click on Increase Decimal from the toolbar under the percentage section. Your percentage is now calculated and displayed correctly in Excel.